Hello, science students. As you can tell, I'm not here today on Friday. So here's what I need you to do during science class. The first thing I need you to do is go to Edpuzzle. You should sign in. If you've never signed into Edpuzzle or you don't have an account, this link will take you there and get you into my classroom. Once you get into the classroom, you are going to watch Bill Nye, and it should be Bill Nye on this gravity. So find Bill Nye gravity. Looks like this. And watch the Edpuzzle video, answer the questions along the way. That's the first thing you're going to do because we're going to be talking about gravity for a while. After you finish that, then I need you to go to the CK12 articles right here. So you're going to click on these links. You may need to log in with your Google email and password. One is just about gravity in general. You should take notes. If you log in, you might be able to take notes right in CK12 if you're in your own account. But read about gravity. It's not very long. There's a short little video to help you. And then at the end, for sure read the summary. And then make sure you can answer these questions. Okay? Especially these review questions. If you can't answer the review questions, then you probably need to go back and reread it. The second CK12 article that you're going to read is about Newton's law of gravity. And this should sound familiar to you because this is, as you know and remember, my favorite law about my favorite guy, Jon Bon Jovi. So this should ring a bell for you. Review that, watch the video. Make sure you can look at the summary and answer the questions when you're finished. I would take notes in your notebook unless you are able to somehow take notes in CK12 and you're logged in. That would be fine too. But gravity is going to be a requirement for your astronomy project. So whatever topic you pick, you are going to have to relate gravity to the motion of your object. So for example, if you choose stars, you're going to have to talk about what gravity has to do with stars and how they move. So the first thing you have to do is understand what gravity is. You know it's a force, but you have to understand how it works. After you finish that, then please make sure you go to this Google form. This Google form is where you are going to give me your choices of big major categories for your astronomy project. They're just general categories. We will narrow it down, but I need to see what everybody's interested in so that we can form groups and then narrow down the topics. So it asks you for your top 2 choices, and then if you want to get more specific, if you say astronauts, but you really want to do how astronauts are trained to go into space and be more specific, that would be great. So please make sure you fill that in. So those are the things you need to get done in class today online. If you get finished early, you might want to start researching some of your topics and some of your ideas, or maybe you want to do a little research before you fill this form out so that you have some idea instead of just blindly picking a topic. So make sure you are well behaved, on your best behavior. I should have all the directions on the front board. Have a really good day and a good weekend, and I will see you guys on Monday.